Hey there, Sanity Seekers. Thank you for joining me. This is Out of the Blue Artistry, and my friend has been given this box of who knows what. Apparently there's ornaments in here, but to be honest, there could be anything because I have not peeked. I've been a very good girl, and I've been waiting to have a look with you guys. So, let's see what's in this mystery box. The first item from this mystery box is a ceramic mask, which can definitely be used in an artwork. That is stunning, and I can do a lot with that. I used to love collecting these when I was a teenager, and I even made a few, which was nice, and they hung on my wall. So let's see what's next. And next we have one of those little clog Swedish shoes. I can't remember what they're called. I have no idea what to do with that. But hey, here's a cool little horse. It's pretty realistic, and I could definitely do something with that, I am sure. What else have we got in here? And here we have a cool little, what I think is a mouse. I'm pretty sure it's a mouse. It's ceramic. And I don't know, it's cute, it's quirky. I'm sure I can use it for something. Next we have another cutesy little mouse, which I'm sure I'll probably find a use for too. So we have another cutesy little teddy bear, mummy bear feeding a baby. It's all good and well, but look at this. This is another cutesy train with a teddy hanging out of it. I'm getting total Choo Choo Charlie kind of vibes off this though. I've got ideas for this one. It looks cute now, but you wait till I'm finished with it. Another cute little pirate teddy bear. A cat I can use. I can make it not shiny, repaint it, and that's going to be a great addition to a witch's kitchen. I've got an egg. I don't know why I've got an egg, but I've got an egg. Look at this sassy cat, guys. I mean, that is pretty. I'm sure we could do something with that too. What else have we got? Another little mouse to go with the other mice, and a cute teddy bear. Starting to see a theme here. What else do we have? Well, this is a bit too adorable. I don't think I can use this. He's just too cute and too sweet, and yeah. And we've got another mouse to go with the other mouse. I could see something quirky and steampunky happening with those guys though. And another cute teddy. And another mouse on a snail, guys. On a snail. How cute are snails? And another teddy bear. And another teddy bear. And another mouse. Use my voice. Cat, this I can use. This I can absolutely use. Whew, we're getting there. Oh, see this dog? I could see him with armour on, like he's out of Fallout 4. And as we dig deeper into our little box of treasures, I'm glad there's nothing been too sus coming out of there. We find this wooden teddy bear guy. I can't really do anything with that, but this house I can. That would be great in a diorama of some kind. And then we have this is cool. I don't know what to do with it, but it's cool. It opens up. It's an egg house. Who knows? We'll pop it aside. And a little basket of cats, and dog, which could totally go in a witch's house. Cute. Look at that sly look on that dog's face. And this little thing I could pull apart, but I'm not going to. I'm going to donate that one for sure. Little bit of potpourri and another clog, which, I mean, if I had the patience and could keep plants alive, I would put a succulent in. We've got another mouse to go with the other mice. And what's next? Ooh, this doll. Yep, he's spooky and kind of cute. Just my kind of doll. we dig a bit deeper, we find another basket with a cat. Oh, I love these Russian dolls. I've always wanted to make one, and I will one day. We've got to see how many there is. And they're quite pretty. This will probably just go in my little cupboard because I like it. Very cute. Nesting dolls, they call them. We dig a little bit deeper, we find, oh my god, this pig has seen some things. Look at that horror. And can we just appreciate the sassy look on this cat's face? So much judgment. Let's put the horrified pig aside and we find another teddy bear. What's he doing? He's cleaning. That's super cute. They're all very cute though. I don't know. We'll see. That I can definitely use. She's beautiful and classy and a little bit mysterious. Just my kind of ornament. And we have another teddy bear. Mum feeding a baby. So many teddy bears, so many mice. And this is, okay, my camera couldn't focus very well on that little guy, but he's a metal mouse playing a drum. Which could be a cool ornament on a shelf in my miniatures. That is just too adorable. It's a bear in a raincoat holding a duck, frog by his side, duck patch on his coat. It's just a bit too cute. And a bell without a donger with a mouse on top. Yeah, I'll probably donate that one. I can't picture what I would use that unless it was just to fill, which I think is kind of a shame. I can use a bit of foam for that. And then we have another teddy. He's very little though. He's a great size. This little koala has had one too many eucalyptus leaves. I shall call him Chungus. Have a bit of it more of a dig around, and we have another little tiny teddy bear, which will be great for a haunted toy shop or a circus. He's a great size. And last but not least, we found the last of the nesting dolls. So now I have 5 in total. Look how little she is. And thank you for joining me to see what's in this mystery box. It's been interesting and fruitful, I would say. A lot of these I will definitely use. Some of these I'll donate. This poor guy has seen some things. Please comment below and let's see if we can figure out what his story is, because I think he would be fun to make into an artwork for sure. So thanks for hanging with me, Sanity Seekers, and if you feel like seeing what happens in the future with some of these ceramics, give us a subscribe and then we'll see what ends up happening to them. It will be interesting, I guarantee you. So thanks again, have a wonderful day, and remember to stay creative. Bye.